The whole reason why I moved from small country Estonia to Miami was because I was losing motivation. The ocean is just telling you, hold on, don't give up, but don't slow her down. Be ready, be ready.
So you don't give yourself any excuses?
No, because life can be more interesting that way, right? My last record, I encountered an alligator and sharks.
Because sometimes when people even say they want to swim out and go venture and be an entrepreneur, I don't think they're really ready for what they're about to do, because the moment you take that step out, there's no going back. One of the most powerful things that I'm learning as I grow older is that everything in nature is pointing at a principle that we can use for life. For me, to define creating your path means capturing every moment in the story and the things that are happening in your life.
This episode of Getting to the Core, aka GTC,